Okay, so now we are going to, in this video, we are going to quickly summarize what we have seen in the previous two videos. Okay, so this is the table which we have to remember. If you are going to remember this, this is going to help you a lot. Okay, how you can remember, understand this way. See, this is a convex lens, okay, and this is my f1 and this is my 2f1 and this is my f2 and this will be my 2f2. अंडरस्टैंड दिस वे. सबसे पहले हमने इमेज को, ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ रखा? वी हैव केप्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट वेरी फार. बहुत दूर हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को रखा. कहाँ पे? फर्स्ट टाइम वी हैव केप्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट एट इंफिनिटी. ओके, फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव केप्ट माई ऑब्जेक्ट एट इंफिनिटी. इन दिस केस माई इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड एट f2. द इमेज विल फॉर्म्ड एट f2. व्हाई इट इज फॉर्म्ड एट f2? अगर आप इस तरफ रखोगे तो इमेज कहाँ बनेगी आपकी? f1 पे. व्हाट विल बी द साइज? साइज विल बी हाईली डिमिनिश्ड. What will be the size? Highly diminished. Okay, the size will be highly diminished. And what will be the nature? Here I have written real and inverted, so the nature will be R and I, which represent it is nothing but real and inverted. Second, पहले इंफिनिटी पे थे, अब हम इंफिनिटी से थोड़ा आगे चले. हम कहाँ पहुंचे? बियॉन्ड 2f2, मतलब 2f2 के पीछे. सो वेयर आई हैव केप्ट माई ऑब्जेक्ट? आई हैव केप्ट माई ऑब्जेक्ट beyond 2f1. I have kept my object beyond 2f1. When I have kept my object beyond 2f1, I will find my image will form between f2 and 2f2. Between f2 and 2f2. My image will form between f2 and 2f2. And now पहले से थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस कम हुआ है. याद रखना, जितना आप पास जाओगे मिरर लेंस के, आपकी इमेज कितनी होगी? मैग्निफाइड होगी. जितना दूर आप रहोगे, ओके, एज यू आर फार फ्रॉम दिस, यू विल फाइंड दैट इमेज विल बी smaller, and when you are approaching towards the lens, you will find your image will be magnified. Still you are far, so you will find your image will be diminished. Okay, image will be diminished. Now again the nature will be what? Real and inverted. Again the nature will be real and inverted. Third case, I have reached to 2f1 when I have kept my object at 2f1. So you remember, this is the case at C. So image will be formed at C, means it will be formed at 2f2. Size will be what? It will be of same size. Okay, and the nature will be real and inverted. Fourth case, I have to cross this. I have to reach or go closer to the lens. So what I will find? I will keep my object between 2f1 and f2. When the object is kept between 2f1 and f1, 2f1 and f1. So if you will see, when this is the case where image formed beyond 2f1, so here image will form beyond 2f2. Okay, and the size will be, it will be magnified. It will be magnified. Nature will be real and inverted. Okay, now fifth case, I have come this way. Now I am going to reach at f1. When I am going to keep my object at f1, आपने इंफिनिटी पे रखा था, f2 पे बना था, अब आप f2 पे रख रहे हो, या सपोज आप f1 पे रख रहे हो. Where the image will form? It will form at infinity. Again the nature will be magnified and it will be real and inverted. Okay, now the last case, when the object is kept between f1 and O. Okay, so where the image will form? Image will form at the same side, है ना? Image will form at the same side of object. Same side of object. And here it will be enlarged, or we can say magnified. Okay, it will be enlarged or magnified, and this will be what? The nature will be virtual and erect. This is the special case which you have to keep it in mind. So this is the summary which we have done in all previous 6 cases. Now we are going to move forward and we are going to talk about concave lens. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.